Hey, this is Mike with J&M Reviews, and today I'm reviewing the MyLifeUNit. This is the multifunction paintbrush cleaner. So this is the box that it comes in. These are the sides and all of that. Put that aside. So this is what it looks like. So it's a blue paintbrush holder. So you can put the paintbrushes here in these holes, as you can see. And you can also place them here to clean, put the water, and just clean them up. This is the top that it comes with. It just closes like so. So it's pretty sturdy, lightweight blue. Very nice as it looks like on the bottom. So it's nice that you can put all your paintbrushes here and leave them there to dry. Here you would clean them, and then you just kind of hang them here to dry. Maybe you want to put it on a table or some paper towel so it doesn't drip down, because it's going to drip through the holes and then it's going to get everything, everything's a mess. So if you're ever going to be drying them, you want to put them in a place that won't make a big mess of everything. But overall, it's very nice. I like it. Does the job and holds all different sizes of paintbrushes. So hope you check it out if you love to paint, and hope you enjoy it and hope it's helpful.